Hey guys, that mean kitty.
Hey guys,
Hey guys! That mean kitten here.
What are we doing, George?
We're dissecting.
What kind of firework do you ask?
Boy.
This is a color space ship.
It's a spinny boy pill.
Okay, he calls it a spinny boy pill. But today, we're going to be taking it apart.
We're going to be taking it apart.
Yeah.
It's a spinny boy.
So tall. So much taller than you. Okay. So, disclaimer. Nobody try this at home. This is an actual firework. I am qualified in Louisiana for demolitions. My qualification is a little bit expired, but I do know how to handle explosives. So, please do not try this at home. Georges, what are we doing?
Spinny boy slash, if you can read it, focus.
It's going to be backwards for the people. They can't read it. It's okay.
Color spaceship.
You'll trust us. Okay. So, first thing we do.
Oh yeah. Here's
we have a fuse.
Unseen cameraman.
Hey.
Bald is beautiful.
Yeah, bald is beautiful. Caleb. We have a fuse here. Okay, George?
Yes.
Come here. Come here.
Okay.
The people want to see your face. People want to see your face.
I'm right here.
So, we don't need that. Okay, we're going to take that out.
Yes.
No more fuse.
No more fuse.
Okay. That's the detonation device, and we don't need to detonate this firework in our kitchen. So, we're going to get rid of that. And we're going to remove the tape that surrounded it. And
now it looks like a helmet for a cyclops with one eye.
That's where the fuse went in. So, we have deactivated the fuse, and we're going to try to twist it apart, which we can't. So, I will take said knife and try to remove. Let me get you out of a headlock so I don't
explode me.
Yeah. Okay. We got some action going here.
Cracked the spinny boy.
All right.
Spinny boy.
All right.
So as you can see, it's just a plastic tube.
So we got the shell. Yeah. We removed the shell. That's gone. And we have...
Let's see if we can take out the tube.
A cardboard. You know, a little
That's
packing
a toilet
device.
paper roll. That's a toilet paper roll.
Yeah, basically. Okay. Try to twist it. Can't get it off, so...
Knife.
We're going to do the same thing we did on the other side. Cautiously. Slowly.
Do not try it at all. We are going to upload more videos in the future, so don't worry if any of you subscribers have been waiting for a new episode. Or whatever it's called.
Alright.
Please don't cut open Spinny Boy.
Alright, we got one wing off. Same. Cardboard. Cylindrical apparatus there. You can see the adhesive right here. Adhesive. It's holding on the
nerd is holding on
the wings.
The wings.
The wings sent it up spinning, you know, into the sky. I'm sorry I can't really be down here. So we're going to slowly try to take it apart. Alright.
I swear I just saw a piece fly.
Got a good crack there. All
I think we should have found some goggles before we did this.
No, we're good. Everything's compact. It's a firework. Firecrackers are compact.
You mean the
that's what makes the boom.
Spinny boys are compact?
Alright. So, you can see we got it almost taken apart together. Alright. That's what's left of the inside. That's where the fuse went in. That's the front part. And this is the inside. And as you can see, it is hollow. So most of the combustible compartments are kept within here and here. So all this down is hollow.
Yep.
Right, G?
Yes.
Can you see?
Very hollow.
Very, very hollow.
I can.
Oh, look.
It's my finger now.
Yeah, his finger fit all the way in there.
My whole
Okay,
finger.
so awesome. Cutting open a firework right now.
But you are.
But I am. Entertain them, George.
I'm entertaining you with a kitty. Kitty, kitty, mochi. Kitty, kitty, mochi. Mochi. Kitty, kitty, mochi. Kitty, kitty, mochi. Kitty, kitty, mochi. Kitty, kitty. Ow!
I have tools.
Ow! Ah, my legs!
Scoot.
My legs!
Alright. So,
Why did you do that to my legs?
because we needed better
Legs.
tools than this.
We needed a legs.
Alright. So, I'm going to attempt.
To crush the firework.
Yeah.
To crush the...
Yeah, that's black powder, definitely. You can see the sparkles. Let me see the sparkles. Okay. I'm getting close, buddy.
Stop meowing that I'll smoke it!
Okay. So,
Stop it! Stop it, Mochi!
two different approaches here. I'm going to try to split it in half where I've already cut it. Not going well. Not going well at all.
How
Peeling
did
away the
ball
layers.
slide up?
Okay, now we're getting close to the keg.
Now it's a way more thin.
The powder keg.
Powder pellet.
Yep.
Not power pellet. Powder pellet.
Okay. A little bit more cardboard. Again, please don't do this at home. This is just crazy. If you don't know what you're doing, if you got like you're smoking a cigarette, anything, just don't do this. Okay? Alright.
Don't even smoke a cigarette.
Don't smoke cigarettes. They're bad for you.
Don't vape. Don't do
Tell 'em.
anything bad. Don't
Tell 'em.
drink beer when you grow up.
Tell them.
Do any of that. Anything in that category of smoking, vaping, or drinking beer.
Okay.
Don't do any of that.
Now we're getting to it. Alright.
No,
Let's scoot
no beer.
let's scoot it closer. Okay, so when we pull it open,
Big pellet. Whoa!
we got
the French flag.
yeah, basically. Look at that. Okay. So our igniter was here. Black powder here. I really don't know what this is.
Those are the colors that will fly out.
Maybe.
The black powder will
Because
explode.
there's a consistent, like here, this goes all the way through it, so you can see the silver is around this powder. This powder is solid.
Yeah.
This powder is solid here, all the way to the black powder. And
Yeah.
this silver
So I think-
it's probably color, yeah.
I think the black powder will explode and send out the silver and the brown or the red.
So should we cut this in half and see what's inside here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. Okay. Well, we're going to try to break it. We're not going to cut it anymore. Oh! Okay, so it is solid black powder through the middle, like we thought.
Kind of.
An accelerant
And then
through the color.
And then it looks like some bullets.
Yeah.
A bronze bullet and a silver bullet.
Okay. Well, I am filthy.
And that's what's in a firework.
That's what's in a firework.
Should we set off a
Go get another one.
firework
Go get another one. And we're going to set one off and we're going to show y'all exactly what it looks like when you set it off. And why that happens. Oh God, I gotta wash all these.
Okay.
Hold on, G.
Wait, Caleb, show them a
Okay.
before Before?
Before.
After.
And this is all in here. Okay. Now we're going to go show y'all what it does in real life. Okay? Be right back. Hold up. Hold up.
That went in someone's yard.